Cool. Ooh, what's that? There's a cage there. I don't know what it is.
This is the forest.
Go, go, go!
Still built. Yeah,
Way round.
oh, you'll see it there, I'm sure, in a minute, darling, when you get down through the other side.
Snowy owl, I think. Yeah.
Way round.
Oh, isn't he lovely? He's on the ground there. Look. There's no others
Yeah,
then.
so look, which way does the arrow say to
Is
go?
there?
Look how you walk around it, darling, one way, and then...
Mum, I'm not your mum.
Oh, look, two arrows.
It says way round. The other one says this way.
It's an owl.
Oh yeah, he's right at the back there. See him now. There's another one at the back there. I couldn't see him before. I couldn't see him before. Is that a barn owl? Okay. Oh, Diz! Dizzy Diz. My owl? No, that way. Oh,
What do we do? We don't know.
I don't know. This way to lynx deer, wild boar, wallabies, and my owl.
You want to go back to feed, yeah?
I want to see the barn owls. Barn owls, barn owls, barn owls. Barn owls. Barn owls, barn owls, barn owls. Yay! Oh. Hello, gorgeous. Yeah, I know, there's one there as well. Ooh. I want one. What to do, what to do. Don't know what to do with himself. That one's asleep, isn't he? He's probably waiting for his food as well. Oh, there's one down there as well. Gosh, I just realised that.
I didn't notice.
Oh. Just wait, Emma. 3 of them. I'm going to fly back up there in a minute. Maybe. Oh, he jumped. Hmm. He must be bored.
Changing, isn't it, matey?
Yeah. Ew, poopy. Whee! Ooh. Oh my god.
You filming all this?
Huh? Yeah. Whee! Feathers! Oh. Poor thing. I wonder if it's mummy, daddy and baby. It's probably the dad in there asleep. Lazy what's it?
Typical mate.
Oh, he's on the move.
He's
A little bit.
He's looking over there. There you go.
Yeah.
Still ain't tasty to eat. So that you can get now.
Oh, he's jumped back down there again. He's a fidget.
Flying about.
Oh, that one's waking up now.
Don't fiddle with your hat.
Oh. Hello.
Oh, so she's getting a bit
Ooh.
hungry.
Oh, look. Careful. They found the water.
Yes, alright, I heard.
I'm getting hungry as well.
Tough. Oh.
Clean time.
11. Gonna have a clean.
Yeah.
Oh, hello
Oh.
again.
Oh, God.
I'm getting hungry, Dad.
Oh, shush.
Yeah, I'm getting hungry as well, actually.
I'm getting hungry.
Well,
Oh, we've pulled a feather out.
oh!
What are you doing?
Oh!
There's no good cleaning it now. You've taken it out. Oh, perhaps he's eating the stuff off it.
Put it back in again.
Oh, no. Oops, I dropped it.
Water.
It won't be very clean in that water.
No.
Maybe it's distressed.
Is that
I think
picture
it was falling out anyway.
Oh,
Yeah, probably. Maybe it was annoying him.
Take a picture there for me, Mum.
Oh, he's moved.
No, we can't really. He's over there.
Yeah, I know, I'm talking about that one.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Sorry,
I
I
didn't
didn't
really
notice.
see it.
He's,
No,
wa-
I'm not-
he's watching him. He's
Oh,
like, what are you
very well,
doing? He's watching him now. That one's watching that one.
What are you doing? You've finally woken up. He's cleaning himself. What are you watching him for? Let him have some privacy. What's that film, like Guardian of the Legend of whatever it was?
Yeah.
They were born out, weren't they?
Yeah, well, one of them was. They're all different. There was a tawny owl and a snow owl.
True. Looks like he's going to pounce on him in a minute.
What one? What, that? Yeah, that one. Oh, he's watching him now. He's like, what are you looking at me like that for? I'm trying to clean myself here.
That one's still
Stop
watching
watching
him.
me. Yeah, I know. Oh, he turned his head around a minute ago. Oh!
Whoa!
Oh!
Hey!
That was nasty. Oh!
Stop pouncing on him. That's it. Go back to sleep.
Stop it.
What did he do to you? I'm perfectly
Poor little
alright.
thing.
Perhaps that's why he's over there. He's getting bullied by that
Yeah.
one. Perhaps he's ready for... Perhaps it's his son or something.
Yeah. Turn them off for pulling a feather out. Oh,
She's
that
gone
one.
down there now, that one.
Oh, she's there, yeah.
Or he, or whatever it is. Stop picking on your baby. There's your baby.
Could be another male to mate with one of the females because someone's not doing his job. But then again, you wouldn't really put two males and...
One female.
Yeah. Who knows?
That's for solitary, aren't they?
Don't know. Look at that one there.
Yeah.
Pounce on that one in a minute. 25 past 11. Oh, little things flying out.
Yeah. There's some feathers.
No feathers or something.
Little seeds from the trees.
Again there. That one's
Lazy
gone
what's
sleep.
it? Yeah.
Leaflet.
Yes, thank you.
Look.